the shape man we this the shape man. Oh my God. First and foremost, everything you see me put on my body is not your mates. You know, be your poor mama that is in the village. Nane family nane, this top and down is $350. But that one aside, I don't exchange words with the poor rats. Ndamoni poverty and they're still in poverty. That one aside. Now, I call job kama bogigene. Youth old fool that have been living in Sweden. Now, outside on Facebook. Now, monetization. Now, listen and listen very attentively. Chineke ogo okun. Ashima madu oham kripuru your generation to be poor. May he remain in your life for the rest of your life. Emma, you're the kind of person who people that has been in Obodo Igbo for years and they could not achieve anything good in their lives. Looking at you, you're telling me, Ogechi, you know I'm above 30. How old are you? Are you not supposed to go back to village now and start on Igbo and start your farming job? Are you supposed to be in Sweden? And the gas are you supposed to be in Obodo Igbo now, garden and jump party, hustling for Facebook money? Since you've been in abroad, what has been your achievement? Even with a family member that is languishing in Nigeria, that is suffering poverty, that is still povertizing you. Now that's Obodo Igbo. That in any advice. In any advice, I will make unegi. In any advice, I will madan negi. Look at how old and how you look, how haggard you look, how you look. That be name advice. The name advice as again, Magini Abuja, you guys are useless. You and the Abuja, both of you are useless. Both your generation and the Abuja generation are useless. Let me warn you, keep away from my matter, or you will not have me to contend with. Or you have me to contend with. Stay away from my matter. You are not my relative, you are not my relation. I don't know you. Because you know. Facebook, you guys felt like Facebook is the only way you can hustle and be talking shit. Go and advise your old self. You that you begin Ghana, Sweden, Ghana, different places, and make raw money. Oh, are you not jubilating that Ogechi has been arrested? Are you guys not now jubilating that Ogechi your own is finished? Let me tell you, I don't deal with two-faced like you. You are a two-faced. You can look at an idiot that somebody that is not competent enough to stand in one place. Look at an post video before get delete here. Look at a hungry that look for who will pay before delete a video. Look at an like you. People saw video mad on your hand like you. He made video about somebody. Criticize on your hand. Onya will reach out to you. Look at a beggar, a hungry bastard. Onya guru like you. Oh, you're worried that I'm not Nigeria. Nobody, even your generation cannot take him. I got Nigeria 3 good months before I leave this country. Nobody gave him. Mark today's date and write it down. You cannot hold me. Whoever you mention is a piece. She can't hold me. Now let me repeat it again in your empty score. Listen to me. No, even you, the you mentioned the Abuja, you mentioned the nobody, the Alamajiri, the every morning, the Kayamata master, the organizer. You, her and her generation can never hold me. I am holding myself. Okay, Megan, go and write. In fact, save this video for your generation. Save it for all these rats and all these pro and all these women like you and all these chance. Oh, you guys are no longer mocking me with the video you guys sent. That Arab boy, that is for your to Shinyamoya and at Jpac that cannot concentrate and pregnant that are chattel womb Yama club. That is bofu na also that I know here. That another woman, another man, the ex-girlfriend, the ex-girlfriend or wife, does that child look like anything like Jpac? May turn the Bobugi for even bringing mouth on my matter to question me. Maggie, Manegi, me Abuja my generation, and she know that I'm not capping. She know that I'm not capping. You guys were busy jubilating the very day that Abuja sent hoodlums, sent his hoodlums online to them incompetent idiots. 400,000 pays. So still supporting saga pages to be sagaring me. You had the temerity. Who is Abuja? I told you guys school on down. Play me. Now me 2 videos with everywhere and shaky. Adamant. You don't understand that she between D1, very dark man, and Dineduma Ife. I choose my fight, and when I choose you, I disable you. Anybody say that I'm not talking to you? Anybody say is a patient that we are Okeke with ugly body, with the okay, in face. She's looking for my attention by all means. She will not get it until I'm ready for her. Right now, she's under my slippers. Did you see how very dark man is dealing with Nedu? That is exactly how I will deal with it. That's your Igbo Abuja. I will make her life a living. Also, I got hire all bloggers, including you. You Abuja. You are a you have not finished talking to your family member. You have not finished dealing with your problem. Looking at you, are you not over 60-something years? Get again, I'm on social media. What are you looking for? Are you supposed to be here? You're supposed to be in the village taking care of your grandkids. So you can. Are you surprised? Are you surprised that I can even stay 1 year? I'm not talking about nonsense and that's all. I am not you guys that look for that. Ogechi, you have lost your job. You just idiot. Ogechi is still paying her bills. I'm not worried. You should not worry about me. Somebody should have called. Why are you worried about me? Don't about me. Any damn US, the next day may be home. Unless I don't want to work, I in few days. I don't want to act school. You don't understand. You don't make or hearing gig in a brain. I want certificates. I can get a job any day, anytime. Don't worry about me. Worry about your and the hopeless life in social media. On your side, her Facebook, any of you rats open mouth and talk. I got you, okay? Who are you to advise me? Am I your family member? Am I your relative? Am I your relative? Do I look like a girlfriend you have dated before? Do you know me? Idiot! Who come me and yes, no, not missionary. For you to raise my matter and say your advice. Who is Igbo Abuja and who are you? If Igbo Abuja is the one keeping me in Nigeria, let me come on, get out on you. Okay, make Nanya. I got here 3 good months. I got to mention joy, no one child before I decide to go back.